Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about does Robinhood Banking pay interest on checking accounts? When looking at how Robinhood handles user funds, it is important to distinguish between traditional checking accounts and their core brokerage cash sweep features. Robinhood primarily operates as an investing platform rather than a traditional bank, meaning standard standalone checking accounts do not function identically to those at legacy brick-and-mortar institutions. For uninvested cash sitting in your brokerage account, Robinhood offers a high-yield cash program. Through this program, subscribers to Robinhood Gold can earn a competitive annual percentage yield on their eligible uninvested cash balances. This means that while traditional checking accounts historically offered zero interest, cash balances held within Robinhood's ecosystem can generate passive returns if you opt into the cash sweep program. To qualify for these yields, users typically need to enable the cash program features and maintain an active Gold membership. Without the Gold subscription, the interest rates on uninvested cash are significantly lower or non-existent. Furthermore, these interest rates are variable, meaning they fluctuate based on broader macroeconomic conditions and federal interest rate changes set by the central bank. When evaluating whether this setup suits your day-to-day banking needs, you should consider account minimums, fees, and how quickly you need access to your funds for everyday transactions. While earning interest on cash meant for investing provides a solid alternative to traditional low-interest accounts, checking the exact terms, current APY percentages, and program disclosures directly on Robinhood's official platform is always recommended before moving large sums of money. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.